Hi everyone, what's up? Thank you so much for being here. If you guys are new to my channel, hi, my name is Jessie, and today's video is going to be a first impression with the Love Melisa Michelle in collaboration with Ulta Beauty. This is actually her second collection, and if you guys want to know my thoughts, then please keep on watching. The first time I have discovered Love Melisa Michelle is with her first collection with Ulta, so I decided to stalk her on her Instagram, YouTube, and all of that, and I was like, she cute. What I got is the Bling It On Glam eyeshadow palette. Now this is $20, and this is what it looks like. It actually has a really nice mirror into it. And then you have 9 eyeshadows, and the rest is more of like glitter and foiled. And there is a sponge applicator tip for the glitter. And then you have a glitter liner. Let me show you guys some swatches. So these are all your swatches. I must say I am very highly impressed. And the reason why I kind of hesitated to buy this collection is because there are some eyeshadow palettes at Ulta that didn't really please me that much. But with the price, I kind of like, you know what? Why not? Because it's buy 2 get 1 free, and I have a coupon. So that's the reason I have decided to buy almost all of the collection. So they are really nice. Some of the matte shades are a little powdery, but you know what? I'm gonna turn this off. It's disturbing me. Okay, so some of the mattes are a little powdery, but the colors are there. Now this is the glitter liner. It's so pretty. And these are all your glitters. These 2 are your glitters. Like, I'm very surprised with these swatches, and I can't wait to show you guys how they work on the eye. Some of them are a little powdery, but you know what? You can always work your way with it. It is definitely buildable. And now let's move on. Oh my gosh, I'm getting really sweaty, guys. I'm gonna try, let's do like a white test right over here. That's nice. Okay, now let's do the swatches for the Bling on the Glam cheek palette. There's also a mirror right over here, perfect for traveling. I'm gonna swatch the 2 blushes first, which is Mahal and Maganda. So Mahal means love and Maganda means beautiful. This is Mahal and this is Maganda. Those are so pretty. And then I'm gonna swatch the shade or the highlighter called Lance, and then Bubs. So Lance is more, it really reminded me of the MAC eyeshadow. So that's what Lance looked like. It's beautiful. And then this is a bronzy highlight, which is Bubs. It's so beautiful. These are so beautiful. I can't get enough of them. I really think that with any skin tone, it will work just fine. So again, I do not have any base on the back of my hand, just so you guys know. And then finally, the lip duo. This is a lip kit, and this is $12.50. So the cheek palette is $15, so this is $12.50. So this is what the lip liner looks like. Give you a really nice swatch. Woo! It's so pretty. It's so creamy. And then this is the lipstick. It's a comfortable matte. It's not like overly drying, which I love. So the first time I saw this, I thought that it was gonna be like very, very vampy dark. I wish I had the other lip kit, but they do not have it in store. And I also didn't get the chance to buy the lashes because most of them are already open. I don't know why. They probably want to feel what the eyelashes feel like, but they are very thin, and I think the lash band is really great. So it's like a wispy. So this is the swatch for the lipstick. So you can twist it like that. It reminded me of the packaging of ColourPop. I love that it's slim, so now that I'm done showing you guys the swatches, what is that? So now that I'm done showing you guys the swatches, let's move on to the tutorial. I will show you guys how I created this makeup look right over here using all of the products that I have here with me. So yeah. So I have already applied concealer all over my eye. I'm not going to set it. I'm just going to directly put 100% on my crease, and then I'm going to slowly build it up. And then after that, I am going to move on with the next shade right over here, which is Florida, which is a really nice matte shade as well. And I'm going to apply that on the sides of my eyes, basically all around the area where I have put the 100% shade. So I am slowly intensifying it. I'm gonna use as many shades as I can in this makeup look. So you can use the same brush if you wanted to, but in my opinion, it would be so much better if you use another clean crease brush. That way you can really see the buildup. And then after that, I'm gonna get the shade Oi, and I'm going to place that again on the same areas where I have placed the two eyeshadows. So I am going from very light to dark, and I am actually taking my time when it comes to blending these eyeshadows. I want it to look perfect. I'm gonna do the same thing on the inner corner, and I'm going to be like very lightly handed on this one, so I'm not putting too much pressure on it. You know what? Surprisingly, there is not a lot of fallout. And then after that, I'm gonna get the shade called Rotorman. I don't know if I have pronounced that right. Please do not come for me. And I'm just going to apply that under my brow bone. And then I am just going to blend away. So I want a really nice fade on that one. Now I'm gonna get the shade called Dude. I'm using a pencil brush right over here. I know I'm breaking the rules. I'm applying shimmer on my crease, but I want to use a lot of eyeshadows from this palette. Okay? So I'm just going to stop once I am satisfied. I'm trying to be very careful with this one. I don't want to look like a clown. And then I am going to get the glitter liquid liner. I have seen the brush on this one. It's not really that thin, so I'm kind of hesitant to just use it as a winged liner. So what I'm going to do is that I'm just going to apply that all over my lid. And this is what I'm going to use as a base for the glitter pigments that is in this palette. So I'm going to get this shade right over here. It's a really nice goldy glitter. But the problem is it's that it's too chunky. I'm going to use the sponge applicator tip so you guys can see it's hard to pick up even if I'm using the sponge applicator. And look, it's like a chunk. So I think it would be better if you kind of melt it off on the back of your hand or something. But I'm just going to use my finger, and then I'm going to apply this on top and see how that goes. So usually glitters, you can't really build that. So I'm trying to be very careful to give it a really nice gradient look. And the lashes that I'm going to be using today is from Kiss. This is the blowout lashes in the style Shag. The reason why I picked these lashes is because they are not very long. So you can still see all of the hard work that we have created today. You guys have no idea how happy I was when I found out that the glitter clinged into the liquid liner. So I'm going to get that really nice burgundy shimmery shade and apply that on my lower lash line, lower waterline, whatever. Trying to be slow as well. So after that, I'm just going to contour my fat face really quick, and I'm just going to mix these two shades together. I really love this contour kit. It is from Smashbox, and it is the Cali Contour. I'm using a big angled brush for that so that the application is not super dense. And then I am going to get the blush called Mahal. Did you guys know that I have love in my name? My name is actually Jessie Love, Jessilove. So the blush is actually pigmented, so just be careful with that. And then I'm going to get that highlighter, put that on the inner corner of my eye, and I'm going to use the Lens highlighter, just like that. So I think with this highlighter, you need a denser brush because it won't pick up really nicely. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to pick up the other highlighter, the bronze highlighter, and put that on top. Now everything looks so much better, don't you think? I like that. I'm not a highlighter person, but I'm loving the way this looks. Yes. Too bad I'm not going anywhere. So moving on to the lips, of course, I'm going to use the lip liner first. And then after that, I am going to follow it up with the lipstick. I really love the formula of this lipstick. Honestly, I feel like this is a solid liquid lipstick. Am I weird? But that's how I felt, okay? Overall, I really do love this collection. The eyeshadows are amazing. The glitter pigments are nice as well. As you guys could see, I didn't even use like a glitter glue on this one. I just used the liner and it worked just fine. The lipstick is very comfortable with the lips. I love that everything, you know, has a long-lasting power. Even if like I swipe my hand like that, the color really does stay. So I love everything in this collection. I think it's a really good collection. So that is pretty much it for today, guys. Congratulations, Love Melisa Michelle. This is such a fun collection. I think you did an amazing job with all of the color combinations. It's perfect for, in my opinion, I really think that you can use all these colors all year round. I really love the highlight. I love the blush. I love everything. So thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you think on the comment box down below. And I will see you guys next time. Bye!